Hello everyone, you are welcome. How to solve for s in this beautiful math problem. S raised to power 3 over 3 is equal to 9. Can you solve this? If you can solve this, kindly put your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation s raised to power 3 over 3 is equal to 9. At this point, let us cross multiply. Then this is the same thing as s raised to power 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 9. S raised to power 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 9, that is 27. S raised to power 3 minus 27 is equal to 0. Now note that 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. S raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, where a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. Then this can be written as s minus 3 bracket s square plus 3 multiplied by s plus 3 square is equal to 0. S minus 3 bracket s square plus 3 multiplied by x, 3x plus 3 square, that is 9, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 3. Let's call this x1. This is the first value of s. And the second case is s square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of s square. B is equal to 3, which is the coefficient of x. And then c is the constant here, which is 9. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a1 multiplied by c9 over 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 9, that is 36, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36, that is minus 27, all over 2. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 27 can be written as 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of minus 1 is I. Root 3 all over 2. Therefore, S is equal to minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 3I over 2 root 3. Our final answer are S1 is equal to this, which is 3. 3. S2 is equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 3I over 2 root 3. Then S3 is equal to minus 3 over 2 minus 3I over 2 root 3. You can see that we have one real root here, which is this, and then two complex roots. Complex. This is real. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, but we can check using this real root to make our work very fast. To check, we have the given equation. X raised to power 3 over 3 is equal to 9. Then if S is equal to 3, this is 3 raised to power 3 over 3 must be equal to 9. And of course, 3 raised to power 3 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 over 3 must be equal to 9. These 3 cancel these 3. Then we have 3 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 3, this is 9, is equal to 9, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.